Alright guys, I wanted to come on here and do a quick review on my JLab Nightfall Gaming Headset, which is this one right here. Guys, this has to be one of the coolest headsets that I got in. I'll start with some of the features. So I like this headband piece that you can actually switch out. So if you don't like the colorful side, you can just switch it to the all black side. I do like the side that it's on right now, so we'll just leave it there. If you check this out, it's got some very nice cushions right here along the ear. If they fit really nice. One of my favorite pieces is the actual mic itself. So here it's on, and if you want to just mute it, you just push it up. It's got the regular aux right there. So if you plug it into, like I usually use it on my Switch, like I have here, or you can use it on your PlayStation. I also use it on my desktop. All your games, you could use it. You got the PC, Switch, Xbox, PlayStation. It's great for all of them. So if you're looking for a very good gaming headset, this one by JLab, highly recommend, 10 out of 10.